Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to add social media icons to Squarespace website, or how to add Twitter or Instagram feed to your Squarespace website. Once on your Squarespace website, you can see right here, you can see the Twitter and Facebook and Instagram icon. Now to edit them, you'll simply tap on Edit in the top left hand corner. After doing this, you're going to simply tap on the header section right here. Next, you're going to see the option pop up at the side right here, and you're going to tap on Elements. And after selecting Elements, you want to ensure that Social Links is toggled on. Then you're going to tap right where you see Edit Social Links. And from here, you are going to tap on Twitter, for example. Then right where you see the Twitter URL, you are going to go on your Twitter page, then tap on Profile. Then you are going to copy your Twitter URL, and you are going to go back into your Squarespace website, and you are going to paste your URL right there. Then you'll tap on Save. And that's it. And you can do that with Facebook. You can also do it with Instagram. And you can also tap on Add a Social Link, and you can add Reddit or so on if you want. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.